In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Zoho CRM form in WordPress. We'll walk through the process step by step so you understand not just what to click, but why you're doing it and how it all connects with your contacts. By the end, you'll have your Zoho CRM talking to your Google contacts in a way that supports your form workflow in WordPress. First, head into your Zoho CRM account. Look for the main settings area, which you can access by clicking the gear icon, usually found in the top right corner. This is where all the configuration options live, and it's where we'll manage integrations that support your form setup. Inside the settings, find and open the Marketplace section. The Marketplace is where Zoho lets you connect external apps and services. Since we want your CRM data to stay in sync with your Google environment, this is where we'll set that up. Within Marketplace, search for or select the Google integration. From there, choose the Contacts option. This tells Zoho you specifically want to work with Google Contacts, which is often the backbone for email, devices, and sometimes other tools that may connect with your WordPress ecosystem. If the Google Contacts integration isn't active yet, you'll see an option to enable it. Go ahead and enable it. This step is important because nothing will sync between Zoho CRM and Google until this connection is turned on. Next, you'll see a drop-down for Zoho CRM contacts. Open that drop-down and choose the list view you want to sync. A list view is basically a filtered view of your contacts in Zoho, such as leads from a specific form or contacts in a certain stage. Pick the view that makes sense for the form data you're planning to capture and show in WordPress. Then, find the Google Contacts dropdown and select the Google group you want to sync with. This might be a group you use for newsletter subscribers, leads, or customers. Choosing a specific group keeps your data organized instead of dumping everything into one giant list. Now it's time to choose your sync options. You'll typically see one-way or two-way sync. One-way sync is best if you want Zoho to be your source of truth and simply push data to Google. Two-way sync is helpful if you regularly update contacts in both places and need changes to flow back and forth. Think about how you actually work day to day and pick the option that matches that workflow. After that, you'll map your fields. This step is crucial. You need to tell Zoho which fields in Zoho match which fields in Google Contacts. At a minimum, make sure email and name fields are correctly aligned because those are usually the identifiers for your contacts. If you have custom fields that matter for your WordPress forms, align those as closely as you can to existing Google fields or custom fields you've created there. Once your field mapping looks good, click Save. This locks in your sync configuration so you don't have to redo it later. Saving also lets Zoho know how to handle contacts going forward whenever the integration runs. Finally, click Sync Now. This triggers the first sync based on the rules you just set up. Depending on how many contacts you have, this might take a little time, but when it finishes, your Zoho CRM contacts and your chosen Google group will be aligned. From there, any WordPress tools or plugins that depend on Google Contacts or that pull leads into Zoho will have a much cleaner, more reliable data flow supporting your forms.